a Coke.
With rum in. Yeah.
Yeah,
I'm not
rum and
fat.
coke. Is that
Yeah.
what I said it? Rum and coke.
I'm not going to be like Oliver Reed, but you know.
Right, Tom, so why did you join Gig Buddies?
I just wanted to find someone that I could, because before Gig Buddies, I had quite a lot of I've had quite a lot of independence for a long time. It's just getting the confidence to go further afield for both personal and social, and also some professional reasons as well. And I could do with a good friend that I could talk to who had a similar interest to me. Which I could just go off with and just have a good chat with and have a good drink with and just look around the shops and just to talk to, and then they could open new horizons to me by taking me for a day out to Manchester or to Liverpool, things like that, you know, and just making a day of it or a little holiday of it sometimes, you know.
Yeah, that's fair enough.
Mm.
So, what was your life like before Gig Buddies?
I was, to be honest, I don't want to go into great detail, but for the last 20 years I've been building blocks like a Lego set with courses and little jobs and little social groups I've just built up. Some of them have worked, most of them have worked out, but some of them have just tailed off, not come to anything there. But the majority have worked out, and then I was doing well for myself because I'm in the arts and entertainment, and I got a good social life from all that as well. And then when the pandemic hit, it was like everything fell apart, and my granddad died, and I was having all sorts of issues with everything, like most people were. And then in 2021, very early, about a year ago actually, both Gig Buddies and another group who would love to meet you both came along at the same time, and both opened up a whole new world of opportunities socially, and had a few little through my art things, a little bit of professional opportunities through them both, and being buddied up with Sam here, and even with the other one I've got a girlfriend from it now as well, so you know, so they've changed my life, both of them. Yeah, but yeah, brilliant. Yeah.
Do you feel that Gig Buddies has given you more confidence?
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, just
Meeting people.
to meet new people, yeah, and to go to here, there, and everywhere and things, yeah, and further afield, yeah.
How do you feel Gig Buddies has changed your social life now?
I know more people, and there's more and more doors opening all the time for me, and yeah, it's just life's getting easier for me now, I think. Yeah.
In what way?
Well, like I said before, me and Sam plan to go here, there, and everywhere together to do lots of nice days out and things, and just and then through that, going places like Liverpool, Manchester, Chester, and possibly even London eventually. Was a big ask, but hopefully.
I'm up for it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But it'll the more I do it, it'll broaden my horizons even more, and I've got lots of friends, but there's only a very small percentage of them that I can really talk to openly. I can talk to Sam openly. Yeah.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah.
So the match is a good one.
That's nice.
Why did you join Gig Buddies, Sam?
A multitude of reasons. I mean, I've always been, always been interested in, I don't know, working with people who have learning difficulties. I've done that before, so I've always got along with people who have learning difficulties, but with Tom, it doesn't really feel like that anyway, so it doesn't really feel, it just feels like a friendly sort of thing. But I guess now, I at first I wasn't sure why I got involved with it, but now I feel like I was missing something socially, and it does feel like I do have that now,
How do you feel now that you've been matched with somebody about the project?
Good, yeah. I mean, Tom's an easy match. Like, I mean, he's easy to get along with. It doesn't feel, just feels like friends meeting up. It doesn't, feel like you're doing anything special really, but in reality it is nice. Coming out of the pandemic with someone to meet, and I didn't know that many people in this area when I first came here. I do now a bit more, but it's nice to meet someone who's actually got the same interests as me, who likes drama, who's going to get me a big role in something.
Coronation Street?
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. I'll use it.
That's on the cards. No, I'm joking. But
That was good.
no, yeah, it's been good. Been
Yeah.
fun.
What have you done so far after being matched? As in, what things have you been up to?
So far, we've just been drinking, I would say. But you know, we've been meeting up, we've been shopping, and we plan to go, like, because of the pandemic, I got COVID a month ago, but we plan to go to like Chester and Liverpool and things, go and watch plays because we both like drama. So yeah, I think this year's going to be a good year. Obviously, it's been slower because of the pandemic, but it feels like we're coming out of it a little bit. But could have said that a year ago.
Yeah. Thank you very much. Thank you. I
You're
think that's all I need to know.
All right.